Traveling like this is complicated. Maybe just stay home. If you're thinking of doing this, just stay home. Go find something else to do. Get a job, go to school, stay in school, get a job, and go on normal vacations like a normal human being. I have got my laundry hanging out to dry. Well, what can I say except good night. Good morning. It's quite late. It's 11:30 a.m. which I did go to sleep late, around 2 a.m. more later than 2 a.m. I was only using this small blanket at first, but it got cold enough that I had to get my sleeping bag. Let me check on my laundry. Everything's mostly dry, yeah. Alright. This is nice and flat. Yesterday was so hot. This place was very, very busy. But today, as you can see, it's gray. It's kind of cold for summer, for the heat wave that we have been having here in Europe. And so I have the whole place to myself mostly. Looking good. You're supposed to add some butter, cheese, and the saffron. I have none of those, so I'm just gonna have it like this. It was a mushroom saffron risotto. Pretty good. I have quite a few things to find. Let's go. Phone's almost dead, so I'm gonna sit here and charge while I have my pretzel and my apple thing, pastry. This pretzel is f***ing hard, so must be from yesterday. So this pastry now, it's not bad. I'm just not a fan. Should have gotten 2 pretzels. Okay, let's get going again. I keep walking though. So all of these you can fund, I think. Maybe not this one. See, but this one you can. Right there. That's 25 cents right there. That somebody left. I mean, when I was getting here, I saw so many people. I thought, yeah, this sucks. I would like to be by myself. But then I thought, hey, maybe I can pick up the bottles that people leave behind. Didn't happen. There's competition. Lots of competition. I wish I had one of those e-bikes that everyone has here, but I don't think you can charge those at McDonald's. So I already have enough trouble with charging my camera, batteries, and my phone, my power bank. Where the hell are we? All right, this is where I was yesterday. I slept somewhere around here. This is where I am. And here is Leipzig. So they keep wild animals here. Oh yeah, I see some pigs. This right here will work. Okay, I'm gonna make some spätzle. And we're gonna do this in this random park with people passing by. Oops. This knife is not very sharp, so it sucks. So people watching me as I saute my onions. I don't care. I gotta have my spätzle, my käsespätzle. Käsespätzle here for you. It's bad, but well, it's not bad. It's just one note texture, which I see why you want some, apart from them being delicious, why you would want some fried onions in this. Done with my käsespätzle. It wasn't so good. It's not perfect, but it's clean enough. I don't know if I should stay here in Germany or try to head north. Try to get to Sweden. To decide that, I'm gonna flip a coin. I guess let's phase will be stay here. Map of Europe will be go to Sweden. Here we go. And it's stay here. We will be staying here in Germany for the duration of this trip. It's a nice building. Yeah, I think we can say we made it to the center. Looks like the center of the city. Could probably jump in one of these bushes and go to sleep tonight. But I don't think I will. If these pines were a bit bushier, it would be a nice place to sleep at. Plenty of bushes to crawl into in the city. Looks like they're building a nice water feature here. Yep, that's what it is. A nice water feature. Lots and lots of shitty paper. Look at that. There's shit paper all over Europe. Leipzig Hauptbahnhof. 24/7 McDonald's. Thank God. Tomorrow is 4th of July, so I'm gonna go have me a McDonald's meal tomorrow. It's a big station. The sun is setting over Leipzig. I gotta find a place to sleep. I could go back to those bushes I saw at the park in front of the station, but there's a lot of took a tram kind of going out from the city. It's not too far. Bad thing is that it's dark enough that I can't really see inside the bushes. And this right here looks good, looks decent. But again, somebody might be sleeping here. Just another night by a river in Germany. It is time to say good night. Good morning. It's 4th of July here in Deutschland. There's people walking by. And I'm gonna go to McDonald's to celebrate 4th of July here in Deutschland before I take a train somewhere else. This was a good place to sleep, far away from all of the riff-raff. Lots of frogs were croaking, making noises all night. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna do McDonald's 4th of July. McDonald's. It's breakfast only, goddammit. So basically I'm stuck here until McDonald's decides to sell me lunch. Could be 10:30, could be 10, it could be 11, so it's 9:10. Nice coin lockers here. It is quite expensive though. $6.50 for a medium, which is not even this large. $9 for this. It's the 4th of July, so you know I had to go big. 20-piece chicken nuggets, burger, curly fries, McFlurry, vanilla milkshake. Cheers. Don't know what I was thinking having a milkshake and a McFlurry. Too much sugar, but I'm still gonna eat it. Now I gotta go sit over there. Gotta charge my power bank and camera batteries and my phone. So that's not gonna be too interesting for you. So goodbye. Peace.